So how to install UFCU mobile app? So just tap get and double click to install. You will be able to get this app. Manage your money everywhere you are. UFCU mobile banking provides fast, secure access to UFCU accounts from iPhone, iPod Touch, or iPad. I don't see, however, if there is an iPad app here, but yep, all users, you just need to remove all the previous this UFCU app. Visit ufcu.org/app enroll to enroll. Download this app and use your new login credentials. And then you can just manage your account. You can view your account and routine numbers, access your UFCU account anytime, anywhere, view your time balance and transaction history, lock and unlock your debit and credit card, stay secure, move your money, deposit multiple checks at once with mobile deposit. So yeah, that's what it is. And then you can just open it up. And then you just see this nice picture, and then you need to log in with details that which you created when you already had those. So yeah, that's basically the idea.